The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is produced by a professional laboratory, backed up by solid scientific research, and is made in a clean, modern FDA-approved and GMP, good manufacturing practices, certified facility with regular audits and quality checks. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is free of all allergens, contains natural ingredients, and is perfectly safe. It's not a fat-burning pill or medication. It contains nature's finest nutrients for all-day metabolism support. You won't feel jittery or on edge. Instead, you'll be overflowing with energy. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a one-of-a-kind weight loss support supplement that revs up your metabolism to super-fast levels, enabling you to burn off pounds of fat and be in complete control of your weight. Thanks for watching video. Click the link below video description to learn more about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement.